In the last few minutes I made all stairs and I attached them all together. I also mirrored lights on splashboard to other side and also these bumper lights. One thing we need to push down this bridge and splashboard on that side, so let's go to front viewport and push that bridge down, and now select this splashboard and select the stop verts and push them down, something like that. Okay, next we can try to make these little parts, these fence holders. So go to create panel and we'll make one more cylinder. Okay, with radius something like maybe 1. That will be maybe too much, maybe 0.85. Okay, and with height 2.5. Okay, let's zoom in and height segments 1, and let's make 8 sides and convert that to editable poly. Okay, now with Swift loop make one loop here and now select these 4 polygons and actually now select these 4 and hit extrude, but something small too. Okay, and make these polygons planar on, not on X, on Y. Okay, and push them back in. Let's zoom, and now with Swift loop make one loop here, one loop here, and also one loop here, one here, one here, and one here. And let's apply, actually select also this one and make one inset 0.2, maybe 0.1, 0.05, hit apply and continue, and one more 0.1. Okay, and let's apply turbo smooth. Okay, that looks good. This is really small little details, so And now we need to place that in position. So zoom in here and put that here, and let's scale that down, something like that. Okay. And zoom in. Place that here. We can scale that down more, something like that, and place that in position. Okay. And I will make just one, that fence holder. I'm sure that you will be able to make many copies and place them all around. Okay, next we can make this grill part. So select this object and go to polygon mode, and let's zoom in. And what we need to do now is select all these inner polygons. Okay. We are almost there. Okay. Make sure that we didn't select something else, and scroll down and detach that. Okay, and now let's call that grill, and we can go to isolation mode, and now select ring and loop. Actually, now select these edges and these guys. Loop and control backspace. Okay, now select this guy, hit ring, and connect with 6 segments, I guess, and pinch them out. Pinch 20 will be okay. And now chamfer these edges with maybe 1.6, maybe 0.8. Okay, and now select these polygons and bevel. Make bevel height 2. Actually no. Hit extrude extrude them out, 2, hit OK, and now select these polygons and delete them. And now select this guy and scale them down on Z, something like that. And now make ring selection and deselect this guy and this guy and hit chamfer, but something small like 0.5, too much, 0.2. That will be okay, and let's apply turbo smooth. That will be okay. And now push that out, something like that. And actually, let's go to isolation mode once again and select these edges, deselect this guy and hit ring, connect with 2 segments and pinch them. 80 will be okay, and select this guy, hit ring, connect, 1 segment, 0 pinch with slide, 80, okay, and same thing here, ring, connect, okay, and exit isolation mode. Okay, we have that part. Next, we can try to make these ladders. So again, select engine cover and zoom in, and actually let's make one swift loop here, and now zoom in and select these polygons and hit extrude. That's too much. Let's try with 73. Okay, hit okay. And now with swift loop make one loop here and also one loop here and one loop here. Scroll down and make one loop here. Now go to edge mode and hit ring and make one connect with 2 segments, maybe 4 segments. Okay, and let's take a look. Okay, Actually, we can select this edge hit loop, control backspace, and create new loop. Okay. That will be okay. Now go to create panel, and we need one cylinder and turn on auto grid, and let's make one cylinder from here to here. Okay, let's change color to something more visible. Okay, and place that here, push that in a bit. Okay, radius 0.5 will be okay, and 8 segments. Convert that to editable poly. We can go to hierarchy panel, effect pivot, point center to object, and let's go to isolation mode for a second and select this polygon and this one and delete exit isolation mode. Sorry. And now we can make a few copies, shift and drag. Okay, and let's make 8 copies. Okay, undo that and let's make 9 copies. Okay, and now select this one, go to attach and attach them all. Okay, and we can apply turbo smooth and shut that off for now. Next, let's go to front viewport and go to create panel, and we need one lane. Turn off auto grid. That will be okay. And now select segment mode, select that segment and shift and drag. Okay, and one more time, and place that here. Okay, and now let's push that here, zoom in and place that here. Okay, and we need one more copy, place that here. Okay, and now let's go to top viewport and now go to create lane and create one lane from here to here, turn that off, and now select these words and push them up. Okay, and now select these two, hit fuse and then weld, and let's go to top viewport and select this word and place her here. Okay, and now select that segment, shift and drag, zoom in here, place that here, again shift and drag, place that here, and one more time. Okay, and now select these two words, fuse them and weld these two, fuse, weld, fuse, weld. Okay, and what we can do now is zoom in here and select these words and push them here. Okay, and now what we can do, select this word, actually select them all and hit on fillet. Okay, and actually let's select them all once again and place them here. Okay, now zoom in, select this word, actually deselect that and go to attach and attach that together. And now zoom in here and something like that. Select these, again fillet, sorry, undo that, and just one click will be enough. Select that and okay, one click, undo that, and let's try again. Okay, okay, and select them. Okay, and now turn that on let's see what we have. That looks pretty decent. And one more thing, go to create panel, and we need one more cylinder. Turn on auto grid and make one cylinder, something like that. Okay, and now with radius 0.5 and with height 3, turn on isolation mode, convert that to editable poly. We can delete that back polygon, exit isolation mode, and let's make that, actually select that edge heat shrink connect with 2 segments and pinch 70, hit OK. Make one inset 0.1, too much, maybe 0.02, hit apply and continue, and 0.1, hit OK. And now we can select these two words, hit connect, and with cut tool select, connect them. Okay, and we now have all quads here. And now undo that, push that here and here, push that in just a bit. Okay, and apply turbo smooth. Okay, and we need copy that cylinder few times and place them here, here, and also here.